non anyị aganatago ọzọ ịkụzi tofu njiko okwu nke anyị kụzikwela ọlụ. We are back to complete our lesson on conjunctions in Igbo language, like I promised you in a previous video. Okay, so at the end of this video I'm going to leave the link of the part 1 of this lesson here on the screen so you can easily link up to that. Okay, before I go niru, Ngozika. My name is Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you're welcome back to my channel. If you're a newcomer here, I welcome you. Thank you for stopping by. I promise you a truckload of fun, okay? And all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting me. You guys are the best. Please, at the end of this video and you find it helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell beside it, so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified, okay? Yes. I'm going to go on new. Welcome back. Non. In today's video, we are going to look at these 4 conjunctions and how correctly they are used in making Igbo sentences. Okay? Yes. We have before, notwithstanding. We have instead of or rather or instead of, and the last one is but. Okay? Yes. Let's start with before. Before, in Igbo, we say tufu. Tufu is before. Alright, let's make sentences with tufu. Tufu anyị agawa n'iru. Tufu anyị agawa n'iru. Tufu anyị agawa n'iru. Before we proceed, tufu anyị agawa n'iru. Before we proceed, I would like to say something. Tufu anyị agawa n'iru, o nwere ihe nche ikwu. Tufu anyị agawa n'iru, o nwere ihe ncho ikwu. Tufu anyị agawa n'iru, o nwere ihe ncho ikwu. Tufu, before. Tufu anyị agawa n'iru, before we proceed. Tufu anyị agawa n'iru. Good. Now the second sentence is this. Ka anyị kpee ekpele tufu ilie nni. Ka anyị kpee ekpele tufu ilie nni. Let's pray before you eat. Let's pray before you eat. Ka anyị kpee ekpele tufu ilie nni. Let's pray before you eat. The third sentence is this. Ka anyị kene Chukwu tufu ifuo. Ka anyị kene Chukwu tufu ifuo. Ka anyị kene Chukwu tufu ifuo. Let's thank God before you leave. Let's thank God before you leave. Ka anyị kene Chukwu. Kene Chukwu is thank God, okay? Ka anyị, let us kene Chukwu, thank God before you leave. Tufu ifuo. So we have ka anyị kene Chukwu tufu ifuo. Okay? The next on our list is instead or rather. Okay? In Igbo, you simply say kama. So let's make sentences with kama. Okay? Kama m ga-ebuli ego ka m kwụrụ agụụ. Kama m ga-ebuli ego ka m kwụrụ agụụ. Kama, rather. Okay? Kama m ga-ebuli ego ka m kwụrụ agụụ. I would rather go hungry than to borrow money. Kama m ga-ebuli ego ka m kwụrụ agụụ. Okay? Yes. The next sentence is this. Kama ihe nye m nka, nye m nke ọzọ. Kama ihe nye m nka, nye m nke ọzọ. Kama ihe nye m nka, nye m nke ọzọ. I would rather have you give me this than that. I would rather have you give me this than that. Kama ihe nye m nka, nyemu nke ọzọ. I would rather have you give me this than that. Okay? The next one is notwithstanding. Notwithstanding in Igbo, you can say ele oshinade, ele oshinade. In some dialects, you hear ko sinade, ko sinade. But from where I come from, we say elo shinado, elo shinado. Okay, notwithstanding, elo shinade. Anyị yama iwe emelie. Elo shinade. Anyị yama iwe emelie. Notwithstanding, we will sort it out. Okay? Elo shinado. Anyị yama iwe emelie. Notwithstanding, we will sort it out. Notwithstanding, we will find a way to sort it out. Elo shinado. Anyị yama iwe emelie. The next sentence is ko sinade. Remember? Ko sinade, ka o sinade. That is notwithstanding. Okay? Ko sinade or elo shinado. Anyị ga na-agba mbọ. Anyị ga na-agba mbọ. Anyị ga na-agba mbọ. Ko shinade, anyị ga na-agba mbọ. Okay? Ko sinade is correct. Elo shinade is correct. Okay? Either way, you are still correct. Just choose anyone that is flexible with you. But from where I come from, we say elo shinado. Okay? Elo shinado. Anyị ya na-agba mbọ. Notwithstanding, we will work hard. Ko shinado. Anyị ya na-agba mbọ. Elo shinado. Anyị ya na-agba mbọ. Do you understand it? Yes. Please take your time. Don't be in a rush. I'm speaking like this because I'm a native. Okay? And this is something I do regularly. But please, in your own case, if you have no idea at all, please take it slowly, slowly, slowly. Now let me teach you a trick, okay? When you play, you listen attentively, then you pause. After that, you repeat everything you've heard, gradually, slowly, until you've arrived at a convincing level. After which you repeat that same process. Keep repeating that same process 2 or 3 times. Each one you listen to, and that's how you make progress. So the last but not the least for today is but. But in Igbo, you can say mana or kamana. Mana or kamana. In a previous video, that's the part 1 of this lesson. I made sentences with only mana, okay? Only mana, okay? But today I'm going to make additional sentences with kamana. Kamana. You can either use kamana or mana. Mwanya malumma. Mwanya malumma. Mana otoro ogonogo. Mwanya malumma. Mana otoro ogonogo. Mwanya malumma. Mana otoro ogonogo. Okay? This lady is beautiful, but she is not tall. This lady is beautiful, but she is not tall. Using the same sentence, you can also say Mwanya malumma kamana otoro ogonogo. Okay? Mwanya malumma kamana otoro ogonogo. This woman is beautiful, but she is not tall. Kamana otoro ogonogo or mana otoro ogonogo, but she is not tall. Okay? This woman is beautiful, but she is not tall. Kamana. Kamana. So they both serve the same purpose of but. Okay? And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you'll always be the first to be notified. And don't forget to leave your concerns in the comment section, okay? And I will gladly attend to all of them, okay? Ngozika. Bye!